2003 Lexus RX edition. This is a RX300, and it says always on the side VSC, Vehicle Stability Control. This one's really nice with the black, has those nice green tinted lenses in the front. You have those daytime running lights up there. You have automatic headlights. You do have fog lights in there also. You do have the xenons. Fog lights right there on the bottom. If you're looking for something silky smooth that basically drives like a car, this is the little SUV or crossover for you. 225/70 16s. Has the roof bars up top, and it has that mirror-like tinted windows from the factory also. Has the extra cargo mat. First aid kit is there. 60/40 split. Plenty of little spaces for cargo. Keep in mind here at B&P Auto Sales, we take about 60 photos of each car, so make sure you always log on to our website if you're coming to us from YouTube. There's adjustable roof bars. One mat system in the rear. I think it's a better idea actually. Slides forward, and if you look at it, it's basically flush. You also do have a armrest in the rear for occupants, and you have the air conditioning vents. Power seat also for the passenger. Here's the full leather-bound Lexus book. Well, let's get to the nitty-gritty. 1822 for mileage. I think you even get better than that. Two level heated front seats was $440. The xenons were $515. You also have the rear spoiler. Wow, $280. Wood and leather steering wheel, $330. Cargo mat in the back I showed you, $92. Accessory crossbars, $104. I just showed you. Wheel lock, $66. And premium plus value package, which included electric chromatic outside mirror, leather trim interior, the same thing for the rear view mirror with compass. You have the HomeLink transmitter, garage door open, a 6-disc in-dash CD auto changer, interior air filter. That was $3,045. 2003, this car was 40 grand. They said the value package was a discount of 2 grand, but you know, the subtotal of this car is $41,797. A lot of money for this car. But today, you could get it at a fraction of the cost. So that's something always to keep in mind here. And you know what? Runs just as good as the day it came out of the factory. This one, there's the front plate bracket. This must be a Pennsylvania vehicle at one time, maybe. Or maybe they just took it off. No front plate on it currently. There's the bolts for it. Actually, I'll put this in here. You have the heated seats there, your stereo, the air conditioning's all in here. It's a little hard to see right now. 94,000 miles on the odometer. Up-to-date NJ inspection. So you can utilize that plate bracket if you want in the front. I guess somebody never just put it on. Always nice looking gauges. Has the memory seat there, automatic lights. If you need more information, please give us a call here at B&P Auto Sales and we'll get you on the road. You have the tweeters up top, compass, much more. HomeLink. Give us a call. Very comfortable drive, very easy.